Sinné Gajira agus Lake na Himra and Aka Lumsa Inish. No, Liam Cogardas lad, many congratulations. Did Carafin make hard work of that there today?
Well, we knew we were going to be up against it coming against Castlebar today. We've played them a lot over the last few years. We knew it wasn't going to be easy, so they really pushed us to the end, and we knew it was going to be like that, so we're just happy we came out the right side of it.
Going in at the end of normal time, I mean, you were, I think, 5 points up. There was about 10 minutes left in the game, 10, 12 minutes left in the game. Was it an angry dressing room? Was it a disappointed dressing room? What was being said? Yeah,
we were disappointed that we let them back into it, but at the same time we were happy to still be in it, and we knew we could go out in extra time. We knew we still had a lot left in us to push us over the line.
The start of the first half of extra time, I mean, you started fantastically well.
Yeah, we really came out of the blocks. We had loads of scoring chances. We probably should have been up a few more at half time of extra time, but we really pushed on then again in the second half of extra time to get us over the line.
You mentioned the scoring chances there. I mean, looking back, was there a tactic to actually go for goals, or was it just that there seemed to be uncertainty sometimes? Maybe players are in a good position, particularly in the second half and maybe an extra time, where maybe a point would have been better than a goal. Was there an instructions to take the goals, or just
not
just
really?
Like
no, we like to go for the goal chance if it's on, but there was a lot of point chances we missed in the first half of extra time too, so we weren't really happy that we missed them, but at the same time we're still happy to be up.
You're now top of the Roll of Honour, 8 Connacht titles, which is a fantastic achievement. Many congratulations. But you don't have much time to celebrate because you're out again in a few weeks' time against Funham Myers. So, know anything about them? Looking forward to that. How is that going to
go? We haven't really looked into it yet, but we were over in London a few years ago, so we know that it can be a tough task going over there. So we won't be underestimating them.
Well, we wish you the very best of luck. Enjoy tonight, anyhow, and congratulations.
Thanks
you are
much.
Lake na Himra agus Lisa Cooley, our son AIB and Sean Conan Gradam of Ronu Art.